Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I just picked up another bottle of this Kum Kee premium dark soy sauce because we cannot live without it in our house. This stuff is delicious. So if you have not tried a dark soy, it is so much different than the regular run-of-the-mill soy sauce that you may have had before. This really just knocks it out of the park. It is so good. So it does have a darker color and a little bit thicker consistency. It has a much richer flavor with so much more complexity. It doesn't just taste like salt. It really has a ton of different flavors, and it really brings an earthiness and just brings delicious complexity to whatever you put with this. So for a quick weeknight meal, I will often use this soy sauce with a little bit of sesame oil and just put it over some meat and veggies and have a quick stir fry. It never lets me down. It's also awesome for marinades, for noodle dishes, so many different things. It just adds a really rich, delicious flavor with no work. So if you're looking to step up your soy sauce, I would definitely recommend this one from Kum Kee. I absolutely love it, and that's my point of view.